Growth, it is one fundamental important characteristic feature of living organisms, and it is a very conspicuous character also. So in the growth is clearly observed in the organisms. It is one irreversible fundamental conspicuous and it is irreversible. Growth is irreversible. So in living organisms it is irreversible. Here in the living organisms, once the growth occurred, it is permanent. The growth is permanent, it is irreversible. And generally the growth is here due to the growth only, here different organs, here the cell after the here zygote division, here the cells are increasing in the size, are enlarging, and next here different organs are formed. And here the growth, if there is no growth, here after the cell division, the cells are in the small size only. Here number of cells are formed due to the cell division, but after the cell division, here the cells are increasing in the size, enlargement, cell enlargement, that is growth. Here the growth is generally, it is due to the metabolic reactions. The metabolic reactions are of two types, anabolism and catabolism. Here anabolic reactions are also called as constructive reactions. Constructive or making reactions, and these catabolic reactions are destructive reactions, also called as breaking reactions. Synthetic reactions, the different type of materials are synthesized. So if the materials are deposited or if more number of cells are formed due to the cell division, and here due to the anabolic reactions, the different materials are synthesized. So if anabolic reactions are rapidly taking place, more anabolic reactions are taking place than catabolism, then the growth occurs. Anabolic and catabolic reactions are here in the same rate are taking place, so no growth occurs. Sometimes here the catabolic reactions are more than anabolic reactions, that is leading to the death or degrowth. So here the anabolic and catabolic reactions, based on the rate. So here anabolic and catabolic reactions are same, here no growth. And here anabolic reactions are less, very less rate, here the anabolic reactions are taking place than catabolic reactions. Destructive reactions are more, that is leading to the death or degrowth. So here the growth is one irreversible action. Here the growth is for the growth, the cell division is compulsory. After the cell division, within the cell or within the protoplasm, number of reactions are taking place, anabolic and catabolic reactions. These are the, here if anabolic reactions are more than catabolic reaction, then only the growth occurs. Here in plants, the growth is it is indeterminate. So let us discuss about the plant growth. Here the growth in plants, it is generally indeterminate.